Do you use AI in your business to save time or streamline systems? Today we're going to talk about using AI for writing content in your business and the importance of keeping the human side of things. Welcome to the Build Your Brand Show. Quick actionable tips to help you share your expertise to create impact. I'm Kathy, your host. So I've been working a lot with AI lately, compiling which AI apps can best assist you with different aspects of building your business. AI is fast, it's efficient, and it can save you so much time in many areas, as you probably know if you've been using it. Though here's what's happening. While you're saving time, you may be losing something more valuable, and that's your creative voice. So as you're working with AI, remember to keep the human side of you at the forefront of your business. Today, I'm going to share 6 aspects to think about when you're using AI and creating that human connection in your brand. So first is, if you don't use it, you may lose it. So the more I've been working with AI, the more I realize I'm starting to dehumanize my own voice, giving my power away to the computer. And so I'll put in my content and I'll ask it to revise, and then it revises to something that doesn't even sound like me or reflect my expertise. And it's so easy to use AI to create content. We may get lazy and not try to develop ideas or concepts yourself and just get ChatGPT to do it for you. And as you build a personal brand, challenge yourself to turn off the computer and turn on your creativity. And this is just to nurture your own growth and your self-fulfillment. When AI takes over, your brain might get lazy. And so I'm suggesting that you use AI to save time and streamline your business, though don't let it take away your passion and your creativity and your ideas, and keep your creativity strong. The second point is more is not always better. Think of the rate that ChatGPT is creating content for everyone out there. Every second, every hour, how much content? Now imagine everyone distributes that content to build SEO or ads. We are going to be inundated. So think about it. What's the purpose of what you're doing? Do you want to just spit out content or do you want to make a difference? How are you going to stand out? Hone into your message and what you want people to remember and make your message count. The third point is think customer focused first. What is your audience going to have to read or sort through to get any real value or figure out what it is you want to tell them or what they want to learn from you? Your message may get lost in the big sea of all this content. Think about the human that's opening your email, all written by AI, probably selling you something, and keep the human touch with audience and customer focused first. The fourth point is let AI be the tool and you be the creator. So think about an artist and the tools that they use to create. The paintbrush, paints, an easel, or paper. And so if AI is the artist, then you have become the tool. You're providing the information for AI, and the AI is the creator. So flip it. You be the artist, the expert, the creator, and use AI as a tool to help you create your masterpiece before it uses you. The fifth point is human versus robotic content. So I recently watched a video from a successful YouTuber who had a lot of success and then just quit her business. The way she describes it is her business had become a machine. It ran itself. She had the perfect SEO optimized content. She put out a new video each week in her niche. And as she tells it, a very successful course, and she made a lot of money. Though watching her, I remember thinking, she seems like a robot. She's not even human. She was just spitting out data and information, and her audience grew. But the question is, did she grow? She claims to have sold millions in her courses, though as she says it, something was wrong. She had her business running for her, though she felt completely disconnected from her audience. And then she started getting complaints. So she quit it all and then just started over after a year sabbatical. So from the start, run your business with you as the leader and not the content or the systems or AI running you. And the sixth point is the avatars. So I've been playing around with CapCut Pro Commerce, and it's so easy to create an avatar ad. And they are super cool. They're really easy to create, but honestly, it's a little weird. So you can put in the text. It has an avatar created, like what sounds like a personality of a human, and creates an ad just by a website page with the product. This will evolve and get better, though I'm suggesting we make an effort to keep the human to human connection. Sure, AI can make these ads. Most people are craving to actually talk to other humans. And if we let this get too far, too fast, we're going to lose that human connection. There are good ways to use this, such as trainings and other things. Though keep in mind, that human connection. So remember, use AI as a tool to save you time and streamline processes, though continue to use your mind and creativity at the forefront and not default it all to AI. So take action. Your creativity needs you for growth, for meaning, and for impact. If you use AI for content ideas, turn off your computer and create a piece of content created from your mind with your ideas. Trust that it is good enough and that you don't have to prompt AI for something better. Your message matters. Make it count. Now go out there and create impact. You may be asking, did I use AI to create this podcast? Well, actually, I took my thoughts that I had written in my notes and I created a prompt for Claude.ai and asked it to create points for me. But when I got the output, I completely scrapped it and rewrote this podcast myself, which just illustrates my point. Keep the human in what you're doing. If AI writes it for you, then it's no longer your voice. You decide. You be the judge. Do you agree? AI is only going to get bigger and faster and better. Let me know your thoughts.